welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for those customers who's using Android smartphone. If you're using Android smartphone of any Android smartphone like Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, Realme, MI, or OnePlus, any kind of Samsung Android smartphone, if you're using here and if your phone is locked due to forgot pattern, pin and password lock like this phone is locked due to forgotten pattern lock, then if you want to visit service center and if you want to expense money, then you will lose your phone's all the data. Here I will show you how you can unlock your Android smartphone without visiting any service center and without losing any data. I mean to say, in this method your phone will be unlocked 100%, and the main thing is that your phone's all the data which were in your smartphone as it is as in your smartphone. Okay, so let's have this video. Firstly, before you start this method, you will have to charge your phone at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted because this method is very power consuming method. So your phone should be charged at least 30% minimum. And if your phone is not charged at least 30%, then plug your charger to the smartphone at the time of using this method. Okay, so let's start this method. Okay, so firstly you will have to switch off your Android smartphone. So simply you will have to press the power button to switch off your smartphone. Okay, simply press the power button. Okay, just a minute. Button is not working, so don't worry, it will work. Simply click on this power off. Okay, in some kind of a smartphone the power off button don't work like Samsung. So in Samsung you will have to press the volume up and down and the power button at the same time to switch off the smartphone. Okay, so when your phone's complete switch off, you will have to switch your phones to the hard reset mode, and for this simply you will have to press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. So you can see here. Okay, now this page has been appeared on my phone display. You can see here you will get a two option. The first will be show here your reboot option, and the second would be show here your recovery mode. Okay, so here display won't work. You can see here display is not working. So here you will have to use the volume up and down button to go up and down, and for select the option you will have to click the power button. So simply you will have to go to the option of recovery mode and select the power button to go to the recovery mode option. Now after this a new page will be appear. You can see here. Now after this you can see here you will get a three option here. The first option is showing here install software, the second option is showing here clear data, and the third option is showing here check system. As I told you, this method is known as offline unlocking method, so here you can't go with this install software. So simply you will have to go to the option of clear data. Here the touch will work. Simply you will have to clear the go to the clear data option. Here you will get two options. The first is showing here clear cache, and the second is showing here clear all data. So here you don't have to go with this clear all data. If you go with this clear all data option, your phone's all the important data and the photo will be deleted. So simply you will have to click on this clear cache option and go to the OK option. Now after when your clear cache complete, you will get a pop-up of return. Simply you will have to click on this return option and go to the back option. Now here you will you can see here there are two options showing here. The first one is showing here shutdown, and the second option is showing here restart. So you will have to go to the shutdown option. You don't have to go to this restart option. Simply you will have to click on this shutdown option and go to the OK here. Okay, and now when your phone's complete switch off, after this simply you will have to switch on your smartphone with the help of power button. Now your phone is getting on. You will have to wait until it's complete switch on here. Again something is smelling here. don't speak in Hindi because I'm not going to tolerate this language. Now after this, you can see here, my friend, the smartphone, the Android phone is switch on here. You can see here, still now you can see here pattern lock is showing here, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have you will get an option of emergency. Simply you will have to click on this emergency option, and when you will click on this, your phone's dialing pad will be switch on your Android phone. Now here you will have to use two USSD code. The first USSD code is star hash 812 and hash. After feeding this USSD code, you will have to call on this, and when you will call on this, you will get a pop-up of a call not sent. So don't worry at all. Simply you will have to ignore this with the OK button. Now after this, you will have to go to the back option. You will get an option of camera. Simply you will have to pull up, and you will have three random photographs here. One, two, three. Okay, now after this, you will have to go to the back option. Now again you will have to slide your phone upside. Again you will get an option of emergency. Simply you will have to click on this emergency option. Now again your phone's dialing pad be on like this. Okay, now here you will have to use the second USSD code, and the second USSD code is star hash 813 and hash. Again after dialing this USSD code, you will have to call on this dialing USSD code and go to the OK pop-up. Now after this, simply you will have to go to the back option. Now let's check what happened here. You will have to you can see here still now the pattern lock is showing here, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have to draw the pattern until you get the any pop-up here. Okay, you will have to continuously draw the pattern here. I know you don't have remember your pattern, but when you will draw continuously here, you will get a pop-up of forget. Simply you will have to click on this forget option, and when you will click on this forget option, it will ask you here two questions. Simply you will have to feed here that USSD code which you have dialed. Okay, the first USSD code was star hash 812 and hash, and the second USSD code was star hash 813 and hash. Now just a minute. These two USSD code you will have to feed in both of them, and after that you will have to click on this verify, and when you will verify here, let's check what happened here. Again you will have to do the same because I think I have mistaken somewhere. Star hash 812 hash star hash okay, it's getting incorrect. Let's check here. Okay, the code was star hash 812 star, and the second code was star hash 813 and star. You will have to feed both codes to verify here. Now when your verify completes, you can see here all the pin pattern and password has been removed. Now here it will ask you use new pin pattern and password here. So if you want to use new pin pattern and password here, you may go with this page, but right now I will go with the swipe option. Simply I will use this swipe option. After when my phone complete unlocked, I will use new pin pattern or password here. But one more thing I would like to tell you, my friend, if your phone is unlocked with the help of this method, then you will have to use new pin pattern and password within 1 hour. Okay, so simply I will use this swipe option. Now you can see here, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked, and the main thing is that you can see here all the application, like you can see here games, all the games are showing here. I mean to say my phone's all the application and the photos which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone like this. You can see here I have clicked 3 photographs that is showing here simply. So this is very useful method for those customers who is using Android smartphone and their smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and if they don't want to